Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and this is a bit of an impromptu video. Last night on Vinny, aka BNSF6951's live stream, he informed us that he was having some issues at his house where his water main or water pipe in his front yard had burst, and he did not have the money to fix it. And a lot of us came together and donated some money to help him get it fixed. And the reason that I'm doing this is that Vinny is very, very helpful throughout the model railroad community. I contribute him to being the reason that my channel took off as fast as it did. He mentioned me on a live stream when I was at about 60 subscribers, and I instantly went over 100 subscribers and just took off from there. So Vinny has helped my channel out a ton, and I know he's helped out a lot of other channels with his mentions on his live streams and all the support that he gives to this community. So he needs about $2,100 to get the water main fixed in the front of his house, according to what he told us. He's tried to take out a bank loan. He's trying to do all this kind of stuff. Let's help him out a little bit. If each one of my subscribers were to give just $1 to Vinny, he would be really, really close to already being able to pay for this fix at his house. And I'm not saying that you have to. I'm not saying that I want to. If you feel it in your heart, I ask you, it'd be a really, really nice thing to do. You don't have to. I'm not trying to guilt trip you into doing it. But I'm going to put a cash.me link down in the description below, and you can send money that way. You can just use your debit or credit card. If you have the means and you feel if you feel it in your heart to help him out, I ask you to. If you do not have the money to do this, another way you can do this is you can spread the word and make a video helping to ask for help for Vinny. And it's just something that we're going to do as a community, and it's we're a very supportive, we're a very positive, and we're a very uplifting community, and that's one thing I love about this community. So if you feel in your heart, link down in the description below to help Vinny out. So until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading.